Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Here we would like to present and simulate about teaching writing skill in small classroom for elementary students. In this occasion, we would like to use here we would like to use picture word inductive models. But before that, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Rifki Saifullah and my friend.
My name is Gede Bulan Saputra.
Okay, here I would like to um, explain about the definition about picture word inductive methods. Picture word inductive method found by Carl in 1996. PWM or picture word inductive models is a teaching strategy that uses pictures to help students learn vocabulary, sentences, and content. So, um, teacher give a picture to increase the students' understanding about the word or sentences. In this method, to support our simulation, we use some of media that are marker, laptop, books, and projector. The procedures we define into three activity. The first is pre-activity. In pre-activity, teachers greet the students and teacher explain the activity that the students will do in the classroom. The main activity, the teacher show picture in projector. Then the teacher helps students to find the keyword, the keyword of the picture that the teacher have provided. Then the teacher asks students to write simple sentences from the keyword that the teacher have write in front of the whiteboard. Then post activity. In the post activity, teachers give some feedback to the students. And the last, in post activity, students might write one word that describe their feeling after they learn about writing in our class. The next is strength and weakness. Will explain it.
Alright, thank you, Adam. So here I am will explain about strength and weakness of PWIM. The first strength is enhance creativity and imagination. Pictures serve as a prompt or a tool for the student to increase their creativity and increase their so they can generate idea for writing activities. Next is encourage students to analyze. PWIM encourage students to analyze their to analyze and the meaning of the image that they will describe or they will write. So this is this is can improving their writing skill. And the last right is support visual learner. Student can easily connect to the through the image, so they can immediately do the writing process and increase their critical thinking. Next, I will explain about weaknesses of PWIM. The first weaknesses is limited vocabulary development. It means that without the good guidance by the teacher, student can be stuck in the basic description of the PWI method, so they can improve their so they cannot improve their critical thinking, they can improve their writing skill and etc. Next is potential distraction. With this method, student might be too bored, or maybe they can to focus through the analyzing the picture that and focus on focus on the analyzing the picture and something unrelated aspect through the image. And instead they're improving their writing skill, they just focus on the analyzing the picture. So I think that's all about strength and weaknesses that I can explain. So now we can jump into the simulation, and this is the reference that we use for our presentation and our uh, media. Next is simulation. All right, good morning, student.
Morning.
Okay, we already learned about you. We know that you already learned about writing, right? Yes. So to improve your writing skill, we're gonna do some activity. So before that, I want you to see the picture. So what is this? Great. So I want you to think one word about this picture. Just think. Okay. So please give us your think about this picture. Alright. So the numbers. What are you thinking about elephant?
Elephant is big animal.
Big. Big animal. Great. Next. Okay, Nadia. Pardon? Great. Next. Okay. Via.
Hey,
Pardon?
hey, apple.
Great. Next. Lipat. Okay, and last. Okay, Kak. Pardon? Oh, great. Great. So this is that you think about elephant, right? Yes. So after you think about the keyword about elephant, we need you to make some simple sentences. So Atan, may you help me to explain about the activity?
Okay, now we have the keyword from the picture. They are big, trunk, tail, top, and gray. Now I would like to ask you to write one simple sentence for each person, and then you must to write in the whiteboard in front of the class. Yes. I will give you time in 3 minutes. But if you are already got the sentences, you can come in front and write the sentences. Okay, covers.
The color of the elephant is great. Is great. Great. Thank you, Eka. And next question of Dina. Thank you, Eka. Wonderful. Thank you, Nadia. And last, Viva. And this thank you, Viva.
Thank you, participant. But we will um, um, mari kita koreksi bersama-sama apakah kalian sudah benar atau tidak. Yang pertama, the color of 11 is grey. Menurut kalian tidak benar apa? Kamu udah benar ya, Pak? Then the second sentence. Udah benar apa betul? Menurut kalian? Apa ada yang bisa koreksi? Bagian mananya? Pak? Oke, thank you. Kemudian yang nomor 3. Yang nomor 3 udah benar. Yang nomor 4. Nomor 5. Semuanya berbawah. Oke, untuk mengakhiri kegiatan kita pada ini, Bapak mau kalian menuliskan perasaan kalian setelah belajar tentang writing pada hari ini di sticky note yang akan Bapak berikan. Nah, setelah itu nanti kalian akan menempelkannya di pohon yang ada di sini. Yang sudah bisa menempelin kalimat yang di sini, katanya di sini, lalu boleh keluar. Okay, that's all this information from us, and thank you for the attention, everyone.